differentiate y equals log base 10 of x times e to the x. This is the common log. We don't actually have to write the 10 in the base. When we have the common log, we can just say log of x times e to the x. But I wanted to put that base in just as a little bit of a flag in case anyone saw log and just thought it was natural log. I really just wanted to bring attention to the fact that the base is different, so we have to use the other formula for the derivative of a logarithmic function. Remember, that formula says that if we're taking the derivative of log base a of x, then the derivative is 1 over the quantity x times ln of a. So we've got that extra little factor of ln of a in the denominator that we have to deal with. So for this particular function, we're going to have to use that formula. We're also going to have to use the chain rule because this is a composition of functions. And we're going to have to use the product rule inside. So there's a few different rules and formulas we're using, but let's go through it one at a time. When we're dealing with a composition of functions, we start with the outer function. So we've got the derivative of log base 10 of u. We know that that's going to be 1 over u, which in this case is x times e to the x, times ln of the base of that log, which in this case is 10. So that's the derivative of the outer function, and then times the derivative of the inner function, x e to the x. We're going to have to use the product rule. So I'm going to put brackets here just to keep everything clean. Remember, when we are differentiating a product, the derivative is the derivative of the first factor, the derivative of x is 1, times the second factor, e to the x, plus the derivative of the second factor, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, times the first factor, which is x. All right? And so we can actually factor out an e to the x here. And so we still have our 1 over x e to the x ln of 10, and then times e to the x times the leftovers are 1 plus x. And you might see we've got something that cancels. We've got an e to the x on the outside and in the denominator. Those are going to cancel, and we can move that 1 plus x up into the numerator. And so we've got 1 plus x over x times ln of 10.